Namaste everyone, I am Chandresh Bhardwaj, and today I want to talk about how to make meditation better. I won't go all over the place with it, but we'll share very specific things that I hope you can start to cultivate from today onward. Number one is, meditation is not concentration. Do not try to concentrate. Meditation is really witnessing. It's watching, observing without judging it. Because if you try to concentrate, then you'll always need a soundproof room, which may not happen. If you associate meditation with some sort of high sensory Buddha-like experience, then you'll always need some really perfect spiritual space around you. But that's not how meditation really unfolds. You should be able to meditate anywhere, anytime. Because if your job is to just witness what's happening, then it could be possible anywhere. But if you start thinking meditation is concentration, meditation is a task that you need to do, meditation is a challenge that you need to live up to, that ruins the whole soul of meditation to begin with. So I would recommend that drop the seriousness of it, stop concentrating, and start to witness what's happening. Start to witness what's already there, and don't judge, don't try to fix anything. The growth in meditation is not the growth in visualizing, imagining things, or chanting a mantra. The growth in meditation is really the growth in how you can witness what's already happening with you. Second point that I want to add is, bring intentions in meditation. Because I do feel spirituality has to be practicality, right? There has to be a practical element in the meditation. And I've known people who have been meditating for a good amount of time, but they struggle with the material success. They struggle with relationships. They struggle with certain specific things in the material world. And I highly recommend that if you're struggling to manifest, to cultivate a certain success, a certain element in your journey, bring intentions. Intention is sankalp. Sankalp is fuel of your consciousness. When you plant intention, you are navigating your meditation in a very strong direction. I have worked with students who started the meditation with struggle in their career, struggle in relationships, but the moment they plant intention, put their trust, their patience with it, and continue to meditate and blend the action with it, things start to change. My entire journey is based on intentions. Whatever intentions I have planted, and when I have stayed honest with those intentions, they really bring a lot of powerful energy to it. And in Tantra, we have many rituals every year. Make the most of those rituals, not just in Tantra, but even in your traditions, your religion. Whenever there is a ritual, that's a powerful day. Whenever there is any significant day for ancestors, for full moon, new moon, these days are very powerful. So revisit your intentions. Do not change them very often. Make them flexible, make them fluid. Trust them, have patience, and trust your strength that you are qualified and worthy of that intention. So just two things: don't concentrate, be a witness, and start planting the intentions. And hopefully that will be a good, powerful step in the right direction for you.